Hello everybody, it's me Max, and today we'll be making a delicious and sweet dessert. Now let's get into the video. First, we'll prepare syrup for our dessert. For this syrup, we need 1.5 cup of sugar, 1.5 cups water, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, add 1 teaspoon vanilla. We will put it on the flame, and when it starts to boil, we will put it on medium heat. Let it boil for just 12 minutes and let it cool. For this recipe we need 2 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons sugar. Two tablespoons cream of wheat. Stir well and let it aside. In another bowl, we will put 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1/2 cup of oil, 1 egg plus egg white, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and stir well. Then we will add the egg mix to the flour. And mix well as you see in the video. Now our dough is ready to shape as you see in the video. We will get a ball from the dough and we will make it into a finger shape, and then we will press on it in the middle as you see in the video. The second shape that we will make is a circle, and then we will press on it in the middle like you see in the video. The third shape is a finger, and we will push slightly in the middle like you see in the video. We will brush our dessert with egg yolk, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, With a fork, make decorations on our dessert without putting too much pressure on it. We will put it in a heat oven at 350 degrees on the middle shelf from 15 to 20 minutes. When it comes out of the oven, we will put syrup on it. After 10 minutes, we will flip it on the other side just for 10 minutes, and then we will flip it back. Now for decoration, you can add any kinds of nuts you want. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.